project CIC, and we are based in Shetland. We have a studio in Shetland and we work with community groups.
Gaada in Shetland dialect means gaps, and we saw lots of gaps in provision for the visual arts in Shetland, especially for young artists or underrepresented groups, and so we were really keen to kind of bridge those gaps.
I suppose our aims are to work with more people, to collaborate with more community groups in Shetland. We want to work with as many people as we can and introduce printmaking and different art forums to as many people as we can in Shetland.
Yeah, we want to offer a kind of a similar platform for underrepresented groups in Shetland that kind of the more mainstream culture has. And we'd like to offer more support for local makers. A lot of our challenges at the moment kind of involve the centralised funding, and there's quite a lack of local funding for startup organisations, so that's probably our biggest challenge today.
I would also say that it's been quite challenging creating an organisation that there's no kind of current language for an arts organisation like us. An artist-led organisation hasn't been done before in Shetland. So just letting people know what we're doing and getting people into the studio to come and make art has been a challenge. But now it's quite nice because people are starting to know who we are and starting to come to the studio and starting to make art. So yeah. Well, we have some top secret projects. It's really annoying. We can't reveal what they are yet, but we do have. We have partners and projects lined up, but we're not allowed to reveal it quite yet. But we also aim to just work with as many people as we can and keep conversations with organisations outside of Shetland so that we can still keep a foot into this contemporary art world, as well as having a new contemporary art world in Shetland, kind of evolving as we go.
I would just add, that we're looking forward to kind of continuing simultaneously working with individuals and small community groups whilst kind of looking nationally to kind of more ambitious projects.
Yeah. Don't be scared to go where there's gaps in provision. I think that going somewhere where there's seemingly nothing, it's actually a very rich environment, and that you can do it. Just try it and find allies, find people that you can chat to over a cup of tea and share the problems of setting up a community-led organisation, because I think
be brave.
Be brave.